the D13 Professional Drone emerges as a compelling option for those seeking an intuitive and feature-rich quadcopter. Boasting a striking forged carbon finish and a focus on user experience, the D13 combines advanced flight capabilities with intelligent safety features, making it an attractive choice for both beginners and those looking to elevate their drone piloting skills. Key features and performance highlights: HD triple electrically adjustable camera system. Capture your world from stunning new perspectives with the D13's HD triple electrically adjustable lenses. This innovative setup provides versatile shooting angles, and the main camera offers a 90 degrees electrically adjustable angle, allowing you to fine-tune your shots mid-flight. The integration of optical flow positioning aids in stable aerial photography. Integrated 4.5-inch large-screen remote control with 5G FPV, experience true first-person view with a dedicated 4.5-inch large screen built directly into the remote control. This eliminates the need for a separate smartphone, offering a seamless and immersive piloting experience. The 5G image transmission ensures a stable and high-quality real-time video feed, crucial for precise control and captivating aerial footage. Advanced 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Fly with enhanced confidence thanks to the D13's comprehensive 5-sided induction obstacle avoidance system. This 360 degrees protection actively senses and helps the drone avoid obstacles from all directions, significantly reducing the risk of collisions and providing a safer flight, especially for newer pilots. Brushless motors for superior performance. The D13 is equipped with 1,503 brushless motors. Unlike traditional brushed motors, brushless motors offer numerous advantages, including increased efficiency, less energy loss due to friction, leading to longer flight times. Enhanced durability and longevity, no physical brushes to wear out, resulting in a longer lifespan and less maintenance. Higher power-to-weight ratio, delivers more power for its size, enabling faster speeds, up to 6 meters per second high-speed flight, and better maneuverability. Quieter operation, generally produce less noise during flight. Optical flow fixed-point positioning, achieve stable hovering and precise control even in light winds. The optical flow system helps the drone maintain its position accurately, making it easier to capture steady photos and videos. Intelligent flight and safety functions. The D13 is packed with features designed to simplify flight and ensure safety. One-touch takeoff land, effortless initiation and conclusion of flights. Headless mode eliminates the need to worry about the drone's orientation, making it easier for beginners to control. Accurate positioning. One key return brings the drone back to its takeoff point with the press of a button. Low power return and lost contact return, automatic safety measures to prevent losing the drone. Electronic fence creates a virtual boundary to keep the drone within a defined area. MV recording and sharing, gesture photography and video, creative features for capturing and sharing your aerial content. Omnidirectional LED lighting enhances visibility, especially during evening flights, and adds a stylish touch. Extended battery life. The drone is powered by a 3.7V 2200 mAh high-capacity lithium battery, providing approximately 15 minutes of flight time. The remote control also features a built-in 3.7V 1200 mAh lithium battery, offering up to 3 hours of continuous use when fully charged. Durable and foldable design. Constructed from high-toughness ABS plastic and electronic components, the D13 boasts a super resistance to falls. Its foldable design makes it conveniently portable, measuring 32.5 by 30 by 9.5 centimeters when unfolded. The D13 drone is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a user-friendly and feature-rich quadcopter. Its combination of a dedicated screen remote, advanced obstacle avoidance, brushless motors for superior performance, and intelligent flight modes creates a highly enjoyable and accessible flying experience. Whether you're a beginner eager to learn or an intermediate pilot seeking a reliable and fun drone, the D13 offers significant value and robust capabilities. Like and subscribe if you love drones, and comment below what feature you care about most.